Hi, Coley with the MMGuardian team here. I know that technology can be intimidating for a lot of parents, so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what happens when you receive your MMGuardian phone, from opening the box to setting it up so that you can know exactly what to expect and see just how easy it is. To start off, you will have the box and there will be a little seal up here that you can cut with scissors. The box will then slide out just like that. In this first outside box, there is the charging cable, so you can just take that out and put it to the side, and then you will have access to the phone. All you have to do is hold down the lock button on the side. The phone will come charged, so all you have to do is hold it down and then it turns on. After the Samsung logo, you will see a welcome screen. Select the phone language and then press Start to proceed. The next screen shows standard terms and conditions from Samsung. Tap Agree to All and then tap Agree to go to the next screen. Next, you will need to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Select the correct network, enter your password, and then press Connect. The phone will then automatically look for software updates. After a few minutes, you will see a screen with the MMGuardian logo. Tap Next to proceed at the bottom right of the screen. You will then need to agree to some more terms to allow MMGuardian to be activated on the phone. Next, you'll see a message saying authenticating your information. Wait for that to complete. You can ignore messages that you see about security settings, if any. After a couple of minutes, the message will change to getting ready, and then we'll provision MMGuardian. Once this is complete, you will be taken to the phone's home screen. MMGuardian should then open automatically and you will see the login screen. You should register using the same email address used when purchasing the phone so that the MMGuardian license is correctly assigned. Most permissions that MMGuardian needs will already be enabled by default. However, you will need to enable a couple, which you will be guided to turn on. If this seems intimidating to you, don't worry. It's all explained in the app and super easy and straightforward. You do not need to be tech savvy at all to do this, and our support team will always be happy to assist you. You will then be guided to set rules for the key parental control functions, including location, phone lock times, and contact management. You can scan this code with the camera on your phone to easily download the MMGuardian parent app onto your phone. That will be the easiest way for you to control and monitor your child's device and receive important alerts. If you haven't been asked to already, you may need to enable a few more permissions that will enable functions such as contact blocking. Once everything is complete, you will see this screen with the different parental control functions, but it is recommended to use your parent app to set them up. A few of the steps from this video may be slightly different for you due to changing phone models and software updates, but it should be very similar and straightforward. If you have any questions, you can email support@mmguardian.com.